In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change primary domain in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make the transition as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Google Workspace account. This can be done by heading over to Google Workspace's official website, where all your productivity and collaboration tools are housed securely. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the admin console. This console is your hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace account, making it an essential tool for administrators. Now, with the admin console open, what's next is to visit the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your account and services, ensuring you have a clear and organized space to work from. From the dashboard, you should see the account option. Go ahead and click on it, as this is where we'll manage some of the crucial settings related to your primary domain change. With your account settings open, the next step is to select the domains option. This section allows you to configure and manage the various domains associated with your account. It's pivotal because your primary domain dictates the main web address associated with your Google Workspace services. Proceed by clicking on Manage Domains. This option will list all your associated domains and give you the flexibility to manage them according to your needs. What we're interested in today is finding the Change Primary Domain option. You're almost there, just a few more steps. Here's an important tidbit to keep in mind. When you opt to change your primary domain, Google requires you to verify your new domain. This verification process ensures that you own the domain and have the authority to make such changes. Verify by following the prompts, which typically involve adding a DNS record through your domain registrar. After verification, the switch can be finalized. Be aware that changes might take a little time to propagate across all services, so a bit of patience can go a long way. During this time, cross-check your services to ensure they're running seamlessly under the new domain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your primary domain in Google Workspace. This can have multiple benefits, such as aligning with new business goals or enhancing your brand identity. Remember to inform your team about this change to avoid any confusion and ensure all official communication reflects your updated domain. Thank you for watching and happy managing.